All right, welcome back to the channel. Hot Rod Dave here. Today, we're not working on cars, we're working on fishing reels. Have you ever had this problem? Your old rod and reel, your bail just loses its spring tension? I bought this reel for my son for Christmas. You know, here it is, June of 2025. Bought this in December 2024 for Caleb for Christmas. The boy fishes every day, just about every day, no joke. And he came to me and said, so I got him some decent equipment, and he came to me and said, hey Dad, this thing's broken already. I was like, geez Louise, man. So we started doing a little research. It was locked up. I took the whole thing apart and didn't film it, didn't even think about filming it until after I put it back together and went, why didn't I film that? So it jammed up, and we took the whole thing apart and got a little educated on these reels. And this is a Daiwa Laguna LT2500. And so basically what's going on is you got a spring in there and it's broken, and we got to get in there and fix it. So I got on Amazon and I found the springs for that specific reel and ordered them. I think I ordered 4 or 8 or something like that in this pack. Oops, I'm gonna lose them already. There's 4 in here, I believe. So that's the label. Pretty easy to find. It took me like 5 minutes to find the parts. So we got more than we needed, because I'm sure it's going to happen again. And I've got one that's doing it too, which is a different size reel, and it's probably going to take a different spring. This is a Quantum. This is my surf rod. It's been doing it for years, and I can still fish with it. It's got just enough tension where you can still fish with it, but it may not be broken, but I think it is. I haven't used that rod in a number of years, but anyway, we're going to take this thing, I'm going to get set up here, we're going to take this thing apart. It's a pretty easy process. Just thought I'd share in case you end up in the same boat and you need to fix your fishing reel. All right, this is a spinning reel. Like I said, it's a Daiwa Laguna LT2500. All right, so basically there's a spring inside here. It's a pretty simple deal. Just gotta get you a little Phillips head screwdriver, pop that screw out, pop that cover off, and you can see the spring's got a little hole. You can see that spring is clearly different than that one. This one's got another leg on it, which we did not find inside of here, which I think may be down in the gearbox somehow. I don't know if it can make its way down there, but this thing was locked up, and it may have fallen out as I was disassembling this, the broken piece, and we didn't see it because I had this whole thing apart, and I ended up greasing the gears inside of here while I had it apart. I can make another video of taking it apart. I just failed to do it while I was taking it apart. So we're going to see how this goes in, because I believe it just rides this little lever here up and down as you, yeah. So I think how does it go? All right. Alright, so it sits down in that little hole right there. The little tab that pokes down drops in that hole. But this other tab, this one that sticks up, needs to go under this lever. So we got to take this lever off. I'm just figuring this out as we go too. We're going to figure it out. We're going to fix this thing. Kind of a pain in the butt. It wants to all spin around on you. Oh, it's just locked up. Probably be easier with this thing in a vise. Lighting in here kind of sucks too. I probably should have put my headlamp on. Alright, there's a little hole that drops in right there. Huh. I don't know if you saw how I did that or not. I think I've got it in there, right? About to find out. Yeah. Okay, so you got it in a hole right there, and there's another hole in the back side of this. You just got to pop it in there, and then I think you can figure it out. Probably not the clearest video of that I could have made. All right, so cast it. I don't know if you guys know, I grew up doing this. Well, they won't even let me do it. I grew up, I'd make a cast and I would do that. Well, they say doing that puts a twist in your line, not to do that. So you want to manually operate your bail, open and closed. Alright, Daiwa Luguna LT2500 bail spring replacement. Believe she's fixed. I'll make another video of taking that whole reel apart. Just drop it in the comments and I'll do it. I'll make a video of blowing the whole thing apart. It's not hard to do, and we'll do that. I don't care. It's I should have filmed it when I did blow it apart, but I'm not going to blow it apart again because I already did and I got it fixed now. So My boy's about to go on a trip with a buddy of his, and they're going to do some fishing up in the North Georgia mountains. So he wanted to get that fixed before he went. And we've got a brand new reel with a busted tip. Broke the tip off. So we're trying to get that warranted because this is brand new too. Graphite rod deal. I'm not going to mention the name yet. As long as they honor their warranty, we won't have to mention any names on the broken rod, but that thing's less than a month old and it snapped the tip off already. So, you know, pretty good chunk of it. 3 eyes broke off, so yeah. All right, you got anything out of this, let me know. Give me a thumbs up and leave a comment. Thanks. Bye.